Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IHSS Timesheet. Submit hours online step by step clearly. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and your IHSS provider login details ready. Open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the address bar, type the official IHSS Electronic Services website, eTimesheets, IHSS, CA.gov. Press Enter and wait for the IHSS Electronic Services page to load fully. Find and click the Login button on the home page. On the Login page, enter your username in the first field. Enter your password in the second field, and double-check for typos. If you forgot your username or password, click the related recovery link and follow the prompts. If you have not registered yet, click Register here and complete the account creation steps first. After entering your credentials, click Login to access your account. If you see a security verification step, complete it as instructed. If you use multi-factor authentication, enter the code sent to your phone or email. Once you are logged in, confirm you are in the provider portal area. From the main menu, locate and select Timesheets or enter Timesheet. Choose the correct pay period from the list shown on your screen. Select the recipient you worked for if more than one recipient appears. Review the schedule layout and locate the dates you provided services. Click into the day you want to report and enter the hours you worked for that date. Repeat the entry for each day in the pay period that you provided authorized services. Make sure your total hours do not exceed the recipient's authorized hours for that period. Use the comments or notes section only if your situation requires an explanation per IHSS guidance. Carefully review each day and confirm the times and totals are correct. Look for any error messages or warnings and correct the entries if needed. When everything looks correct, click Review or Next to proceed to the approval screen. Read the attestation statement carefully before submitting the timesheet. Check the box to certify that the information is true and accurate. Click Submit to send your timesheet electronically for approval. After submitting, look for a confirmation message and save or screenshot the confirmation number if available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.